Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is your olive oil award-winning? Well, if it's not, you may want to check out this award-winning olive oil from KABOS. I absolutely love it. So this is a set of two different olive oils. They are both organic, single origin olive oils that are made from a cold extraction process that is done just moments after the olives are harvested. So you get a super pure, high quality olive oil from this. So there is a robust version and a medium. Both have a very high polyphenol count as well, which comes with its own health benefits. The robust version is a little bit higher in the polyphenols if that's what you're after. So these olives come from small, privately owned or family run farms. You really can taste the love and care that goes into this olive oil. The robust version is very aromatic and has an intense bitter olive flavor. And the medium is bright, grassy, and rich. It really has an incredible flavor. It tastes good on pretty much everything. And you are really going to want to taste this olive oil. So I love to use it on salads or for dipping bread into, for finishing your hummus, anything like that where you're gonna really be able to taste that gorgeous flavor. This is what you wanna use this for. You can use it, of course, for cooking. It has a high smoking point, so you can use it for your sauteing and for different things, but I really would suggest trying to use it on something where you can really get that flavor. You will not be disappointed. We have found ourselves reaching for one of these bottles to drizzle over our food because it really enhances the flavor and it just makes everything taste better. So if you want to taste the difference of a quality olive oil, definitely check out KABOS. I could not be more impressed with the quality and the flavor of this delicious olive oil, and that is my point of view.